Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 49. How to use Reports menu. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to use Reports menu, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select Reports from the top. Here you get options like Dimensions, Reports, Saved Custom Reports. In Dimensions, you get Basic, and inside it you'll get more options. Next we have Time, Labels, Locations, Shopping, with more options inside them. Then go to Reports, and inside you'll get more options like Billing and Budget, Targeting, Change History, Product Ads, Ad Extensions, Performance, and more options inside them. Click on Account to get your account report. Here you need to enter the details and click on Run or Download button for the report. Again, go to Reports and select Save Custom Reports. From here you can view reports that you have customized and saved. For now there are no saved custom reports. Again, go to Reports on top and then select Reports. You can get reports from here. So this is how you can use Reports menu. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 50. How to filter campaign info. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to filter campaign info, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.